Welcome to this lecture based on preposition. We will study preposition at, towards, to. At denotes the idea of aim. Towards denotes the idea of direction. To denotes motion from one place to another. So at first we will study at. You know that at denotes the idea of aim. For example, he threw the stone at the cat. So here he took the aim at whom? At cat with a stone. So here the action of throwing of the stone was decided to go to the cat. So you find that here an aim was taken by the subject with a stone. So here at has been used because it shows that here an aim, an idea of aim is indicated. So he threw the stone at the cat. So here at denotes the idea of aim. Aim the ball at the hole. So here you find that the at has been used before the place where the aim has to be taken. So when we have to show an action that is done and that action has an aim and that action will pass to that particular aim, so we have to use at over there. He went towards the house. Here towards indicates the direction, means he went in the direction of house. So here towards refers to the idea of direction. So when we have to show the idea of direction, we have to show the direction in which an action is done, so we can use towards. He went towards the house. He came running towards me, means in the direction of mine. Every morning he goes to the temple. You know that to preposition is used to show motion from one place to another, and it is also used to show the destination. So every morning he goes to the temple. So here you find that every morning from his house he goes to his temple, and he goes to the temple. Here it means temple is the destination where he goes in every morning. So you find that to show destination or to show the destination from one place to another, means from one place to another place. If you are going to show movement from one place to another place, so the last place where the movement will stop, that is the destination. To show such thing we have to use preposition to. They are going to France. Here we find that to shows the destination. Now below, beneath. Below means of lower level in position, dignity and expectation, etc. Beneath means under. A sergeant in the police force is below an inspector. It is below my dignity to talk to her. So here it shows that a sergeant in the police force is below an inspector, means is below the position of an inspector. So here below shows the lower level. It is below my dignity to talk to her. So here below indicates lower level. They found gold coins beneath a pile of leaves. So here you find that beneath shows the meaning of under, means under a pile of leaves. Thank you so much for watching this video.